Hey guys, we're in Unit 10 and this is day 5 and this is our warm-up and it says determine if the following is a valid identity. Identity, hopefully you guys remember, is when the left side of the equation equals the right side, and remember you're not allowed to cross over that equal sign. Okay, so what stays on the left has to stay on the left and what's on the right needs to stay on the right. All right, so we put this little bar up and we're going to go ahead and try to work with the left side because there's nothing to do on the right side. All right, so the right side is just going to come down with every step, and we're just trying to get the left side to equal that right side. All right, so in the very first thing, we have a binomial squared, and it doesn't contain like terms to combine, so we're going to have to multiply it out. So we have 3 minus 7i, and multiplying it by 3 minus 7i since the binomial is squared. And when we fill it in, we end up with 9 minus 21i minus 21i, and that's going to give us a positive 49 I squared, and we're going to go ahead and turn that I squared in for a negative 1 since that's what I squared equals, and that turns that whole box right there to negative 49. All right, and so on this left-hand side, we now have a 9 plus a negative 49, which is negative 40. And then we have two negative 21i's, which is a negative 42i. Okay, here we just have a monomial times a binomial, so we could just do single distribution, and that's going to give us plus 6 and minus 15i. Okay. We're going to go ahead and bring down that right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, we're going to look for like terms because I think we have some. So we have negative 40, and we have a plus 6. A negative 40 plus 6 is negative 34. And then we have a negative 42i minus 15i, and that's going to give us negative 57i. And nothing to do on this side, so we're going to bring it down. And the question says to determine if the following is a valid identity, and I don't have the left side equals or the right side. Our negative 34 is not equal to that 64 on the other side. We got the negative 57 i's to match, but we can check our math again and make sure that we didn't make a mistake, but I don't think that we did. And so this is going to be not an identity. The left side doesn't equal the right side. All right, and I'll see you guys on day 5 notes.